Hello everyone, this video is to show how to set up SSH on a switch for remote access. Put my switch up, I'll then put up a Ubuntu Docker image. I'll then connect the Docker image to the switch. I'll quickly edit the config file. To allow for a static IP address. That will do. I'll start up both the machines. Let the switch boot. Okay, right. I'm now in the switch. Enable. I'm going to change the host name to S1. I want to quickly enable login synchronous, so I've not got these messages pop up on the same line as my commands. Done. Now, what I like to do first is to create a username before we even generated the keys or done anything else. That way then, if I get locked out of the router or switch prior, so if I get locked out after enabling SSH, but prior to creating the username, I then haven't got to log back onto the console port and fix everything because the username is already there. Enable secret. We'll say Cisco. Now we'll generate. Now we will configure the domain name. We'll say yusufstark.com. Now we're going to generate the crypto keys. Crypto key generate RSA 2014. Oh, as well, I have forgotten exactly what bits it is, but if you enable if you do your crypto keys under a certain amount of bits, you'll only get SSH version 1 and not SSH version 2, which is disabled by default on which is disabled on I don't know how many Linux distros, but it is disabled on Ubuntu, and you can't enable it. So, by default, I do at least 10, 24 bits. Now I'm going to go into to the BTY lines. Oh, no, line BTY. Line of BTY. Do it full. Now I'm going to do transport input SSH only. I'm going to do login local to tell the switch to use the local username and password. I'm then going to exit from the VTY line. I'm going to go into interface, fast Ethernet, not fast Ethernet, is it gigabit, sorry, 00. I'm going to go IP address, ooh, what's happened here? Okay, fine, I've done something wrong. Okay, this is very embarrassing. Oh no, VLAN. Sorry, I was meant to go to VLAN, not into a standard port. Exit. Um, interface. VLAN 1. There we go. IP. And there's a synchronous login there. Into my commands under the under the uh, under the email log message. IP address 192.168.0.1 255.255.255.0. No shut. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go copy running startup config. Yes. Done. And now we should be able to SSH to the switch. Did I enable? Hang on. What have I done there? I have config. Have I given it? Fine. Since this is meant to be my first video, I'm not doing a very good job, am I? We'll just stop this and we'll edit the config quickly. We'll just say 10. I've forgotten what the IP was I originally set it as. Get rid of all these. Oh, no, cancel that one. I needed that from a webcam. Right. It's not very professional, is this? Show IP interface brief. That's on 1. Okay, fine. Start. Oh, and as well, did I set, because I've also discovered, I don't know how many people know this, but if you don't have, if you do not have a password set on your CompT, when you come to log in remotely, you will not be able to get in. So you will be able to get into SSH, but you will not get any further than that. So again, we'll say Cisco, and I'll quickly do WR for quickness. Done. Fire back up this one. Misplaced option address. Right. Now, I did do this earlier, I didn't have this issue, so this is a bit concerning. Stop. Have I messed up my config file? Ah, there we go. Trouble routing at work. Save. There we go. Start up again. There we go. Fine. Throw it back up again. Done. Now SSH. Yusuf at 192.168.0.1 we said. Yes. Oh, also if you press Y it doesn't work. You have to put yes. Well, at least I do with all of the labs that I've done thus far. Password is Cisco. Now at this point, if you didn't have a password set on your CompT, you would not be able to get beyond this point. And I'm in. I can do show. I can show. IP. Show. Mine's gone blank. Show IP interface brief. A bit nervous because this is my first video, but yeah. So I can do everything now remotely. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed.